Have you ever wondered how ethical hackers identify vulnerabilities in a system? One tool they often use is Nessus Scanner. Welcome to the fascinating world of cybersecurity, where we'll be exploring this powerful tool in detail. Nessus Scanner is a potent instrument in the cybersecurity toolkit developed by Tenable Network Security. Its primary purpose? Scanning computer networks for vulnerabilities that could be exploited by malicious actors. It's like a security guard constantly on the lookout for potential threats, helping to maintain the integrity of your digital fortress. This tool isn't just for show, it's a workhorse, carrying out a multitude of scans. From network scans to web application scans and even database scans, Nessus is an all-rounder. Its comprehensive approach ensures that no stone is left unturned in the quest for potential vulnerabilities. But Nessus doesn't just identify vulnerabilities, it provides detailed reports on them. These reports include severity levels, helping you prioritize which threats to tackle first. They also suggest remediation steps, effectively giving you a roadmap to fix the issues identified. It's like having a personal cybersecurity consultant at your fingertips. Setting up Nessus is a simple process. It's compatible with various operating systems and can be configured to scan specific IP ranges or targets. This flexibility makes it a go-to tool for ethical hackers and security professionals alike. Effective vulnerability management is crucial in today's digital landscape, and Nessus plays a vital role in this process. By identifying vulnerabilities before they can be exploited, it helps to protect sensitive data and maintain the integrity of IT infrastructure. Remember, though, that with great power comes great responsibility. Nessus should be used ethically and responsibly, ensuring that you have proper authorization before conducting scans. Regular updates and patches should also be applied to keep the tool and its plugins up to date. Nessus Scanner is a powerful tool that plays a vital role in identifying vulnerabilities in computer networks. By understanding how to use it effectively, ethical hackers can make a significant contribution to enhancing cybersecurity for organizations worldwide. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer in the world of ethical hacking. Nessus is not just a simple tool, it's a comprehensive vulnerability assessment tool with a variety of functionalities. It's like the Swiss Army knife of ethical hacking, always ready to assist you in your cybersecurity endeavors. Let's unravel the different features and functionalities that set Nessus apart. First off, Nessus is versatile. It can conduct an array of scans, from network scans to web application scans, database scans, and more. It's like having a cyber detective meticulously combing through your computer networks, identifying potential weak spots that could be exploited by malicious actors. But Nessus doesn't stop at just identifying vulnerabilities. It gives you detailed reports on each vulnerability it finds. These aren't just bland technical reports, they're comprehensive, easy-to-understand assessments that include the severity level of the vulnerability and suggested remediation steps. It's like having a personal cybersecurity consultant guiding you on how to fortify your systems. And if you're wondering about the setup, well, Nessus has got you covered. It's designed to be user-friendly and can be installed on various operating systems. You can configure it to scan specific IP ranges or targets, giving you control over your vulnerability assessments. But Nessus doesn't just work in isolation. It plays a vital role in the bigger picture of vulnerability management. It helps organizations identify vulnerabilities before they can be exploited, thereby protecting sensitive data and maintaining the integrity of IT infrastructure. Once a scan is complete, Nessus doesn't just leave you in the lurch. It generates detailed reports that provide actionable insights for IT teams. This way, it helps prioritize vulnerabilities based on their severity and guides remediation efforts. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Nessus should always be used ethically and responsibly, ensuring proper authorization before conducting scans. Regular updates and patches should also be applied to keep the tool and its plugins up to date. With Nessus, you can perform a variety of scans and get detailed reports on identified vulnerabilities. It's a reliable ally in the world of ethical hacking, helping you stay one step ahead of cyber threats. And that, my friends, is the power of Nessus. Now that you know what Nessus can do, you might be wondering how to set it up. Well, sit back and relax as we guide you through the process. First things first, you'll need to download the Nessus installer from the official Tenable website. Make sure to choose the appropriate version for your operating system. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to get Nessus up and running. Once the installation is complete, you'll be prompted to create a new user account. This account will be your gateway to all the functionalities Nessus has to offer. So remember your credentials, you'll be using them quite a bit. Now, let's talk about configuring Nessus for different types of scans. The Nessus interface is intuitive and user-friendly. From the main dashboard, you can create a new scan by simply clicking on the New Scan button. Here, you can choose the type of scan you want to perform. Whether it's a basic network scan, a more comprehensive web application scan, or a targeted database scan, Nessus has got you covered. Next, you'll need to specify your targets. Nessus allows you to scan specific IP ranges, individual systems, or even entire subnets. Just input the appropriate IP addresses or ranges in the targets field, and you're good to go. Keep in mind that each type of scan might require additional configuration. For instance, a web application scan might require you to input the URL of the application, while a database scan might require you to specify the type of database and its location. Once your scan is set up, all that's left to do is to hit the launch button and let Nessus do its magic. The scanner will methodically go through your specified targets, looking for any potential vulnerabilities. Setting up Nessus is straightforward, and the tool can be configured to scan specific IP ranges or targets. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, you're ready to take on the cybersecurity world with Nessus by your side. Identifying vulnerabilities is only half the battle. Managing these vulnerabilities effectively is crucial for maintaining cybersecurity. In a world where cyber threats are evolving at an unprecedented pace, vulnerability management emerges as a critical aspect of any organization's cybersecurity strategy. It refers to the systematic and ongoing process of identifying, classifying, prioritizing, and addressing security vulnerabilities. But why is vulnerability management so important? Firstly, it provides a clear and comprehensive view of an organization's security posture. It helps in identifying the weak spots that could potentially be exploited by malicious actors, thereby enabling proactive measures to bolster security. Secondly, it aids in compliance with industry standards and regulations. Many industries require stringent vulnerability management practices to protect sensitive data and maintain consumer trust. Now, where does Nessus fit in all this? Nessus, with its comprehensive vulnerability scanning capabilities, is a powerful tool in the vulnerability management arsenal. It can scan a vast array of devices and systems, identifying potential vulnerabilities that could be exploited. Nessus not only identifies these vulnerabilities, but also classifies them based on their severity. This classification allows security teams to prioritize their efforts, focusing first on addressing the most severe vulnerabilities that pose the greatest risk. Moreover, Nessus offers remediation guidance for each identified vulnerability. This means it not only points out the problems but also suggests ways to fix them. This guidance can significantly speed up the vulnerability management process, ensuring that security loopholes are swiftly addressed before they can be exploited. In essence, Nessus acts as the eyes and ears of your cybersecurity strategy. It provides a clear, comprehensive view of your organization's security posture, identifying potential weak spots and guiding remediation efforts. It's like having a dedicated security guard, constantly patrolling your digital estate, looking for potential breaches, and offering solutions to fix them. In conclusion, effective vulnerability management is crucial, and Nessus plays a vital role in this process. By leveraging tools like Nessus, organizations can proactively identify and manage vulnerabilities, thereby bolstering their cybersecurity posture and minimizing the risk of cyber threats. Once a scan is complete, Nessus generates detailed reports. But how do you interpret these results? Each Nessus report contains a wealth of information. Let's break it down. The vulnerabilities are sorted by severity level: critical, high, medium, and low. Critical vulnerabilities are the most severe and should be addressed immediately. Each vulnerability entry provides a brief description, followed by details about the type of vulnerability, the affected software or hardware, and the potential impact. The report also provides a solution for each vulnerability, detailing the steps needed to remediate or mitigate the issue. In addition to this, Nessus provides a risk factor rating which helps in prioritizing the vulnerabilities. Understanding these reports is key to effective vulnerability management. It's about more than just identifying vulnerabilities. It's about understanding them, prioritizing them, and addressing them in a systematic way. Nessus scan results provide actionable insights that can guide your vulnerability management efforts. As with any powerful tool, it's important to use Nessus ethically and responsibly. Nessus, with its robust capabilities for identifying vulnerabilities, plays a critical role in enhancing cybersecurity. However, this power comes with an inherent duty to use it wisely. When using Nessus for penetration testing or security assessments, it's crucial to ensure you have proper authorization. Without explicit permission, conducting vulnerability scans on a network can be seen as an intrusive act and may even be illegal in certain jurisdictions. Moreover, Nessus is continually evolving with regular updates and patches to keep up with the ever-changing landscape of cybersecurity threats. Therefore, it's essential to maintain your Nessus tool and its plugins updated to ensure the most effective vulnerability scanning. Remember, the goal of ethical hacking is to strengthen security, not to exploit vulnerabilities for malicious intent. By using Nessus responsibly and ethically, you can play a vital role in enhancing cybersecurity. In conclusion, Nessus Scanner is a powerful tool for identifying and mitigating vulnerabilities. It's a critical instrument in the ethical hacker's toolbox, adept at pinpointing network weak spots and providing actionable insights for remediation. Its versatility, extensive capabilities, and user-friendly interface make it an indispensable resource in the world of cybersecurity. By mastering Nessus, ethical hackers can significantly heighten security measures, safeguarding digital infrastructures globally. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of Nessus Scanner in ethical hacking. Stay tuned for more insightful content on cybersecurity and ethical hacking.